Tito Mark's house.
Kuya Mark. It's your Tito Mark, not Kuya Mark. Oh, louder please. Oh. Good morning, Kadweemers.
Why do I saw Tito Rice yesterday at Tito Mark's house.
Good job. Oh, so you shout out for Tito Rice. Shout out.
Shout out Tito Rice.
Ang init na guys. Sobrang init. So, papasok na tayo. Pero papakita ko lang ang aming magulong balcony or veranda. Whatsoever ang tawag. Pero yan, no. Binili namin to sa Rona. Para may privacy ka na. Para pag nandito ka nakaupo, di ba? Kasi minsan nakikita namin yung workers dyan sa mga resto. Nagtatambay din sila sa likod. Tapos si Tido, pag may mga nakikita siyang naglalakad, ay na, nagsasay hi. So, ayan, medyo magulo pa. Papasilip ko lang yung aking mga tanim. Ayun, yung ampalaya ko. Medyo namatay na siya kasi hindi siya nadiligan kahapon. Pero sana makarecover pa rin. May bulaklak na din yan. And may dalawa akong puno ng kamatis at talong. So, yung bike ni Kaden pa. Ayan, medyo magulo. Nilabas na rin namin yung cage ni Tito. Ako, nagta-traffic na. Alis na ako, Tito. So, tara na, guys.
A few moments later.
So, andito na tayo sa Rona Plus.
Meanwhile.
Hi, Ella. Hi. What are you looking at? Hey. Nanonood tayo. Init na. Walang masyadong hangin. Konti lang ha. Sakto lang yung hangin. Ella! Wait for daddy! We look for cars. There might be cars coming. Okay, let's go. No, there's one coming. Let me see. Okay. They will break for us. We don't need to be in a hurry. Hey, put it exactly. Please. Okay. Go on the side. There's a bike. Bike coming. Go. They're biking. Okay. Hi. Huh? There are police. They're protecting. They're checking if there's someone is doing not good. They're going to arrest it.
When there's some beef in my mouth, I will 1.91.
Yes.
That I cannot do like.
Yeah. Yes, we can. Okay, let's go. Say bye muna.
Fine.
One eternity later.
Dumating na ang regalo ni Ella. Thank you po, Miss M. May paganito pa, oh. O, tawagin mo ng mga tsunanaks. Salamat sa papitsa. Supol tuloy. Super spoiled ang mga tsunanaks. Si Daryl na nag-pick up kasi nung tumawag ako kanina, hindi siya na ano. Hindi pa daw siya ready. Ganyan. Ang cute! Thank you! May pa 7-up pa! You say? Thank you po!
Take a paw.
Oh, look here mo na.
I'm so cold.
Thank you po! Kaden, what will you say to tita?
Thank you.
Look here!
Thank you.
Guys!
Now I
Ito yung ano niya.
I cannot
Cute!
play.
Ayan! Wow! Oh, ito. Buksan mo ito. Salamat po. What will you say, Ella?
Oh, Ella, Kaden.
What?
Your pizza.
Okay. I'll cook.
Gusto niya agad to. Oh, you say thank you muna.
Pizza.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, po.
Dinner na namin. Uy, pasayaw-sayaw pa. Hindi daw sa'yo to. Para daw sa mga bata. Bakit ka kumakain?
May pangalan ko, oh.
Grabe.
A few moments later.
Living in the moment, dancing with my dreams, with my family. Staring at the sunset, hugging in the wind while we still can. Live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up. It's a big world, and we're in it. The fun's never gonna end. We're never gonna give in. We're gonna be together till the end. Mom and Dad and Ella and Kaden. I hope we never grow old. We always have our dreams and we always have each other and our home in Canada. Our home in Canada. Our home in Canada. Oh, live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up with my family. I wanna live it up. I wanna live it up.
Na lang uli pag kasama ko na yung pinuntahan ko rito.
Now your destination is on the left.
Oh, look at that house. Whose house is that?
That house. It's a fun house.
Hmm?
It's a garden house.
No, look at that house. You don't remember that?
It's Tito Mark.
Oh, you say hi, Tito Mark.
Hi, Tito Mark.
And hi, Dre.
Hi, Jeff.
Welcome to Regina.
Welcome to
Ayun, nakapagbahay.
Regina.
Parang nakapal yung bahay ko.
Oh, picture.
Sa TV pa
Ay, may pa-heart pa siya, oh. Oh, heart. Welcome to Regina.
Welcome to Regina. We're going up.
Oh my God, may Canadian now. Feeling. Nagpapaaraw. Papaaraw yarn. Wait lang, anong ginawa ni Tido sa mga lupa ko dyan?
One eternity later.
Na sila Ella. Maglalaroin na sila. Ay, kasama niya si Athena. Kasunod sila ang mag-best friend. Ano pa sila ilang minuto?
Meanwhile,
Ng car! Sabi ko, asa si John? Sabi ko rin, asan na to? Hindi ako sinundan. So guys, magde-date kami.
Sa parliament,
Oo, ay, hindi ka dumadaan doon, no?
Hindi, akala ko liliko ka dito sa four-way na kakaliwa ka. Nakita
Hindi.
ko eh. Hindi mo ako nakita.
Nakita kita kaya kaso nga lang alanganin na yung signal ko. Rock. Hey guys, ito yung place. At ang aking laging ka-date. Ngayon ko lang naka-date. Kasi nga. Kasi nga. Busy sa work. Yan na guys, dumating na. Ay, picturean kita. Iusog mo naman. Parang ang laki nito. Ito yung in-order namin. Halatang gutom na. Alin? Ito? Kasi nga ano siya.
One eternity later.
Dreamers! So, natuwa naman ako dito. Gift kay Ella. Thank you ulit, Miss Ella. Sana, ano tawag dito, si Ella magustuhan na tong si Monkey na to, no? Kasi nga, yung ganito ni Monkey dito sa likod, pa-expire na. Pero wala namang ano si Ella eh. Pag nakita niyang Monkey din. Oo. Pangpatulog kasi ni Ella yung Monkey niya sa Spain. Thank you po. Ang cute. Parang akong may gusto. Salamat po.
A few moments later.
Hello guys. Up. Is there still time? We're early.
I want to first in the mouth.
Come kuya. Let's go.
Do it there.
Oh, here. Over here. Oh, come on.
Mommy, hurry up.
I'll hold your hand.
The line.
No, you're not going to be the first
Why everyone else could be the first?
because they already come here earlier.
I am first.
Let's see if there's someone in the line na. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Hi, hello.
Hello, Kim.
Pasok na si Kaden. Dami ng bata. Hello. Are you ready to go to school? How about Kuya? Are you ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you later, ha?
One eternity later.
Dito tayo sa school ni Ella. Meron yata silang pa-race. Meron sila yung nasa harap na parang start. May race ang kanila.
Me?
Hello. Antay pa kami dahil medyo maaga kami.
Going up above the valley. Go, Bobby. Go, Bobby. I'm the light.
Okay, wait lang tayo na ilang minuto. Mainit eh. Pero malamig yung medyo malamig yung hangin.
So, ito na yung budol sa akin ni Ice. $5 each, classic burger lang. So, nakagastos tayo ng, walang nakasinabi dito. Pero 22 point something dahil may tax din. I-try natin, kapitbahay lang namin siya. Ah, ang lalaki. Kaden, bigger than your face.
Wow. Give me my burger. Is this mine?
One eternity later.
Ayan po ang aming baklang aso. Pink lang ang meron eh. So, yun. Where are we going, Ella?
Which I bought. Because I have no food today.
Yeah, dito.
Come on, dito. Ella, wag kang sumingit. Ay! Matatali ka, Ella. Masusugat ka. Guys, papunta na kami sa grooming. Tidu! May driver kami. May sapatos pa.
Let me spy that tortilla. So Tita's passport got dirty. So
Naglilinis na si Daryl ng pee.
bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Look at that, Tita.
Look at this! Naubos agad yung mga mura. Siyempre na, mura nga naman, di ba? Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Ayan guys, nagtitingin kami ngayon ng toy ni Tito kasi nga para hindi niya na pagkaabalahan yung tsinelas ni Daryl.
Ito, Max Gear.
Bakit iilaw yan? Kasi sira na yung ball niya, no? Baril naman yan na. Baril.
Oh, lalagay mo yung bola, tapos
Hahabulin niya.
Tapos ito naman yung
Napunta ka sa ano, di ba?
part.
Oo. Pili ka na dyan. Ang pwede niyang. Wait lang, Ella. Yan na? Gusto mo yan? Kaya malunok naman niya. Ay, tama. Pang corgi, oh. Hindi naman siya small, eh. Ito siya, pwede siya dito dati.
Medium.
Oo.
Ito, mga medium to. Ayaw mo ito, Max Low.
Iilaw. Basahin mo muna.
First day or night.
Nag-glow, no? Meron nga siya dito, oh. Tingnan mo, ang galing. Finding treats. Matatrain siya.
Ito, matigas to.
What's this?
Mas
Chicken
malaki pa
bacon.
sa kanya. Hindi ba naubos?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Baka
May
naman
flavor eh.
Baka naman naubos agad. May flavor. Tikman mo nga.
Legit flavor.
I-confirm mo kung legit.
Long
I wanna
lasting.
go to King Kong.
Durable siya. Baka yung amoy lang.
Baka?
Oo. Parang gusto mo, ganito kalaki.
Meron din mga ano,
Ganun, dalawa.
or ball na lang. Pero maganda rin to. Yan na lang?
Medium.
O sige, yan na lang. Yan na lang kasi magpa-park din naman. Oh, hold that ball, Ella. And pay for that.
Me?
Yeah, you pay it. You have money? Guinea pig. You want that, Ella? Yeah.
Nag-aaway na ako.
Ito, ang ganda. Bird. Galing nung isa o Darin. Oo. No, naglalaro siya na busy-busy. Ay, nakakatakot yun. Nakalabas na. Basta-basta.
What's that?
Hamster. Anong pinagkaiba ng hamster sa guinea pig? Ah, may ganito pa sila. Tingnan natin yung mga cat dito kay Ella. Ay, ito, Ella, cat. Ay, ang taba. Yun, parang masungit na rin. Si Bravo. Ay, nakuha na siya. Ay, parang gusto niya si Ella. Ella! Bravo wants you. Uy! 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 Wawa naman. I'm shy but very sweet and gentle. I will maybe get scared when we meet. However, I will quickly warm up and ano yan?
I'm okay with dogs.
I haven't encountered
It's a
yet. Pero yan na, first time niya si Ella. No? Parang gusto niya si Ella. Oh, Ella, he likes you. Oh, gusto niya nang pumunta sa'yo. Oh, Ella. Yung isa naman, wala na. Eh, Ella. Mohawk. You like that? You want to bring him home? Baka nangikipag-away. How about the other one? Betty. Where's Betty? Natutog. Gusto ko makita si Betty.
One eternity later.
Ayan guys. Costco time. Pati ano, no? Tawag dito? Weekdays? No? Puno pa din? Galing ni Ella, ah. Sabi niya that one look like Asher. Yeah, same. How did you know, anak? How did you know?
Ella, come here.
Guys, pabalik na tayo. Pipick upin na si Tito. Bilis lang, mga 30 minutes lang ka na. Tito, Tito. May bow tie pa siya. Oh. Bakla yarn. Yan guys! Uwi na tayo! Si Tita! May nung isang babae, ang ganda daw ng mata niya. Parang mata daw ng tao. Eh yun yung kulay ng mata nila eh, di ba? Kulay ng mga mata ng ano dito. Blue eyes.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, punta na kami. Magbabayad ng rent. Ha? Go na. Ano na doon guys? Sunbathing na. Ayan yung swimming pool. Nagsa-sunbathing na doon guys. What did you say?
Tomorrow I'm gonna swim at the swimming pool.
Where's your swimsuit?
At home.
Ayan guys, pabalik na tayo. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You see your swimming pool?
Yeah.
Gusto rin daw ni Ella eh. Nika, let's see muna here. So makikita mo dito guys. O ayan o.
Wow, that's really so big. I see it.
Ayan, may mga nag-sunbathing na doon. Yeah. Ayan, pwede na. Open na ang swimming pool, Ella.
Look, I the swimming pool would be closed. Let's go one.
Hanapin niya daw yung swimsuit niya daw. Makikipagsabayan. Ayan guys. Nasundo na namin si Kaden.
Let's go.
You're so... You as a teacher?
Yeah, because I saw someone asking the teacher and they helped them. So I asked the teacher to and see if it's actually true. And the teacher find you and my sister.
See?
But Daddy, my mom wants to have a sticker over here.
Why you have a sticker?
Because I have a play date. And you need sticker I can see